Hey there, Gadget Burst fans! Welcome back to your ultimate stop for the coolest bike tech in 2026. Today, we're diving into gadgets that make your ride safer, smarter, and way more fun. Stick with us, these innovations will completely change how you roll. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before we dive in. Missing these would be a ride you'll regret. Invisible bicycle helmet. Tired of bulky helmets ruining your style? The invisible bike helmet has you covered, literally. It's an airbag-style helmet that inflates instantly in a crash, giving you full head protection without the constant bulk. Compact enough to slip under your jacket or backpack, it connects seamlessly via a smart sensor, inflates in milliseconds, and deflates safely after your ride. Comfort, style, and safety all in one. Once you see it in action, you'll wonder how you ever rode without it. Demon Eyes LED Bike Taillight. Make your bike impossible to miss with the Demon Eyes LED taillight. With 82 animated presets, from fiery flames to arrows, it turns your ride into a nighttime spectacle while keeping you ultra-visible. Waterproof, shockproof, and USB-C rechargeable, this taillight runs for hours without dimming. It's safety, personality, and pure wow factor rolled into one. Cars will notice you first, and friends won't stop asking about your bike. PikaBoost 2 e-bike assist kit. Want to turn your regular bike into an e-bike in seconds? The PikaBoost 2 is your ultimate power-up. This rear-wheel kit installs quickly, no messy wires or extra tools, and gives you up to 43 miles of assisted riding on a single charge. It's smart, too. A built-in gyroscope stops the motor if you tilt too far, and the app tracks your ride, alerts for safety, and even allows group ride coordination. Pedaling has never felt this effortless. Bike Handlebar Extender. Ever run out of room on your handlebars? This extender gives you extra space to mount phones, lights, or even a camera. Made of aircraft-grade aluminum, it's lightweight but sturdy, installs in seconds, and adjusts to fit almost any handlebar. Perfect for multi-device setups or filming your rides hands-free. Organize your gear, keep everything within reach, and ride smarter without clutter. PARKVISION Bicycle Rear View Camera. Blind spots are a thing of the past. The PARKVISION Rear View Camera gives you a full 110-degree view of what's happening behind you. With night vision, sun visor glare protection, and a detachable screen you can take anywhere, you'll never miss a car or cyclist sneaking up from behind. Installation takes just 3 minutes, and its 8,000 mAh battery lasts up to 10 hours. Ride confidently and see everything around you. iGPSPORT SR Mini Radar Bike Light. Worried about cars sneaking up behind you? The iGPSPORT SR Mini Radar Light has your back, literally. It detects vehicles up to 160 meters away and warns you with visual and audible alerts. With multiple modes for day, night, pulse, or solo rides, plus a long-lasting battery of 20 to 25 hours, you can focus on the road ahead while staying fully aware of traffic behind. It's your personal rear radar system. Safety meets tech. AUXITO AB1 Tiny Bike Pump. Flat tire ruining your vibe? Say hello to AUXITO AB1. This mini electric pump weighs just 3.3 ounces, but inflates your tires up to 100 psi in minutes. Fits in your pocket, backpack, or saddlebag, works with Schrader and Presta valves, and even auto shuts when your tire reaches the perfect pressure. USB-C fast charging means it's ready in no time. Portable, powerful, and life-saving on long rides. RBRL Bicycle Rear View Mirror. See more, react faster. The RBRL Rear View Mirror gives you a 360-degree rotation and 180-degree tilt, so you can spot traffic without twisting your neck. Its HD automotive-grade glass with shatterproof film ensures crystal-clear visibility, while the durable nylon frame and stainless steel screws handle the roughest trails. Mounts easily on most handlebars, mountain bike, e-bike, or scooter, and transforms your ride into a safer journey. Rehook Original Chain Tool. Struggling with a stubborn bike chain? The Rehook Original makes chain repair effortless. Compact, lightweight, and built with durable metal, it allows you to remove, reconnect, or adjust any chain in seconds. Fits neatly in your pocket or saddlebag, so you're never stranded on the trail. Quick fixes, zero frustration, and total control over your ride. This tool is a must-have for serious bikers. Alarm Bike Tail Light. Keep thieves at bay while looking cool. The Alarm Bike Tail Light combines a super bright LED with a 113 decibel alarm that goes off if someone tries to touch your bike. Weatherproof and rechargeable via USB-C, it's simple to clip on under your seat and ready in seconds. Protect your bike, ride with confidence, and turn heads at the same time.
SIGTUNA Folding Bike Lock. Need maximum security without carrying a giant lock? The SIGTUNA Folding Bike Lock folds down compactly but opens to a full 33.5 inches to secure your bike anywhere. Made of hardened steel with anti-tamper rivets, it resists bolt cutters, drills, and saws. Lightweight and frame mountable with zero rattling, lock your bike like a pro while keeping your gear minimal. CoreCap Integrated Bike Computer. Want a clean, futuristic cockpit on your bike? The CoreCap computer integrates speed, distance, navigation, and more directly into your handlebar setup. With its intuitive display, you can track rides, monitor performance, and even follow GPS without juggling multiple devices. Sleek, lightweight, and easy to install, it gives your bike a professional upgrade that's as functional as it is stylish. Rubbee X eBike Conversion Kit. Transform any standard bike into a full-fledged e-bike with the Rubbee X kit. Attaching seamlessly to your rear wheel, it provides powerful pedal assist without rewiring or complicated setups. Smooth, quiet, and efficient, it extends your ride range and makes uphill climbs effortless. Control modes are simple, and the kit is durable enough to handle all types of terrain. Instant e-bike, zero fuss.
Skarper e-bike drive. Level up your ride with the Skarper e-bike drive. This compact motor system gives you electric assist without bulky frames or visible components. Easy installation, lightweight design, and smart power management make it perfect for commuters and adventure riders alike. Whether it's city streets or rugged trails, this system makes pedaling effortless while keeping your bike sleek and unobtrusive. Wsdcam 113 decibel bike alarm. Never worry about leaving your bike unattended. The Wsdcam bike alarm emits a thunderous 113 decibel siren at the slightest tamper. Compact, weatherproof, and easy to install, it deters thieves instantly while alerting anyone nearby. Rechargeable and durable, it's the perfect companion for city streets, parks, or any spot where security matters. Peace of mind comes standard.
Anweller Fingerprint Bike Chain Lock. Step into the future of bike security with the Anweller Fingerprint Lock. Forget keys. This lock opens with a quick touch of your fingerprint. Made from hardened steel, it's resistant to cutting, sawing, or tampering. Lightweight and compact, it attaches easily to your frame and combines high-tech convenience with maximum protection. One touch, total security. Beeline Bike GPS Computer Velo 2. Never get lost again. The Beeline Velo 2 is a minimalist GPS computer that guides you with clear directional arrows and speed tracking. Compact, lightweight, and mounted on your handlebars, it keeps you en route without distractions. Sync it with your smartphone for turn-by-turn navigation and enjoy a ride that's smarter, smoother, and stress-free. And that wraps up our ultimate list of must-have bike gadgets for 2026. From next-gen helmets to high-tech lights, e-bike upgrades, and smart security, these tools make every ride safer, faster, and more fun. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your favorites. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss the next epic gadget review. Keep riding smart, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next Gadget Burst adventure.